Hello, everyone. If you haven't heard about Anchor, it's the new free podcast app. Anyone can download it. It's on Android and iOS. There's a lot of creation tools that you get to use for free. It gives you your RSS code, and you can use it on your phone or computer. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you. Spotify, Apple Podcasts, many more. You make money from your podcast with no minimum leadership. Everything you need in one place on one app. Don't forget to download yours today, now. Hello, podcast world. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy, Terrence Grundy, and it is 4/15/2021. That's April 15th, 2021 at 7:03 p.m. And I'm here to talk about taxes. April 15th is usually the time of day where time of the year when you're supposed to have your taxes submitted, and if you don't, then you pretty much by now you should already have that taken care of. You should already know that it's that time. It's time to take care of business. I mean, I don't think there's really, to my understanding, you got into like October really. Maybe some penalties behind it. I don't know. But it's always good to let your tax professional seeketh you help within the tax world. Because someone's always told me, it was an accountant of course, that tax accounting is a language. Taxes are a language in accounting, and you definitely want someone who understands their language. It doesn't really matter what you do, you gotta pay your taxes. You don't want to be like Al Capone. Al Capone is the OG of Chicago. He is the gangster of gangsters. He is Mr. Valentine's Day Massacre himself. So, at the end of the day, how did they bring him down? Tax evasion. Like Elliot Ness and the Untouchables brought him down with tax evasion. You don't want that. You don't want to avoid or evade or whatever it's called when it comes down to paying taxes. Taxes is pretty much the sole reason that some of these stimulus checks are coming out. Taxes, like the money is coming from somewhere, just like the gas hike. You never know what's going to happen if you don't file your taxes. The tax people are the only people that I know. The government is going to reach into your account and take your money. They coming for you. And if you can't pay, they taking something. They going to get their lump of flesh one way or the other. So, definitely pay your taxes. Like, at least know how to. There's a difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion. There are definitely some loopholes in there that you can figure out on how to pay your taxes or do something that's, a deduction or whatever. So, I'm not a tax person, so I really can't say how it all works. But definitely find someone with the advice that you're looking for, because no one wants to be in the hot seat when it comes to taxes. Like, they could give you some serious time. You don't want that. You don't want to be doing 40 years federal, 10 years federal. Either way, you know what I'm saying? You don't want any. Time is one of the most important commodities there is. So, when it comes down to it, when you're out of time, you can't take it with you. Hopefully you're making smart decisions when it comes down to playing this game of Monopoly and chess. Just think about it. Like, you definitely want to come out on top. 10% here and 15% there and 20% there and 6% here. These all mean something. Like, you definitely want to know what you're bringing in unofficially. Like, you got 52 weeks out of the year. If you get paid every week, and let's say it's $1,000, that's like $52,000 a year. You are balling Like, you are unbelievably balling at the end of the day. But if you are not balling and you're making less than 30,000, then you probably got a similar check. You're probably balling off the government either way. So just understand that you don't want to be paying in, you want to get paid out. I never understood or understand how it all works. But only advice I can give you is seek professional help. Because every time I've ever filed my own taxes, I never really got that much, you know. It really doesn't matter because I'm a little behind on child support. Child support's gonna take it, so $600, $1,000. You know what I'm saying? It's gone. My son's gonna get it. It's his. Yep. There's your Christmas present. So, I mean, if you're like me and you fall in the same circular rut every year, so where around December, end of the year you're broke, beginning of the year taxes, you come up a little bit, things happen to where you make a little money, you know, like boom, February, boom, March, oh yeah, good time, spring break. April come along and you doing a few things, and then you trying to have your little summer. They say the hot girl summer is here, and then next thing you know, you school come along, and you broke again. You gotta get this school supplies and this and that and yada yada yada. You know, I mean, I look at it like this, man. If I'm sending you back to school, I ain't trying to spend more than $100. I'm really trying to spend 40. Like, what do you need at this point? Like, you going to the 7th grade next year. What you need? Once you get to high school, hey, you dang there on your own, hey. Because I'm trying to teach you how to make money now. You better listen. You better listen, son. I'm trying to tell you. Trying to tell you how to make some money, boy. You want to, hey, start your podcast. Get you a YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Do something. Let's be like, Sean and his dad. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, you know, you think I do? I really don't. You know? Hey, let's get this money. So, when you come for the summer, I'm putting you on. We selling something. I'm putting you on these ebooks. How about that? You selling ebooks this summer. We better make some money, son. Yeah, Dave Chappelle did it. We gonna do it, you know. But I never, ever want to catch you with some weed in your room and me in a smoking. Because I don't smoke, first of all, and hopefully you won't. It'll be your mom's weed. Anyway, but yeah, check out. I mean, I can't say who to go to because you can do your taxes yourself. TurboTax or something, plain and simple. Or you could, you know, H&R Block or, you know, whoever is out there, you know, Fidelity or something. I don't know. I really don't know much about taxes. Whatever. Anyway, thank y'all for listening. That's just something real short and sweet. Trying to test out this new mic. Hopefully the quality is good. I'm at the point now where I'm going strictly audio vocals. Like, it's it, you know. I've been looking at and listening to this and that about podcasting or whatever, and a lot of podcasters or whatever or more, you know, just acapella. I tell you, I've even listened to Michelle Obama's podcast. It is great. You know, she has a great voice. She's beautiful. And when I hear her on there, I just be thinking like, oh my God, that's my wife. But yeah, you know, I could find me a Michelle Obama. She ain't gotta be Michelle, but hey, wonder maybe she got a cousin or something. And if she do, you know, tell her to put me down. I'm definitely looking for someone to come in and change my life like she did Barack's. So I can only imagine how it was for them in college or how it was while they was in the White House. Hey, it is what it is. Peace. Hello, YouTube world. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.